1. I still remember when I took the TOEFL exam for the first time. My mark was awful. I totally lost confidence in doing a good job and on the text. Even though that if my English was any good at all. My dad was the person that helped me through the third time. First, instead of blaming or punishing me, he spent a lot of time going through the writing car with me to find out what went wrong and how I could improve. Next, he bought many useful books for me to prepare for the test. In the book, I found many sample questions and responses that gave me a good idea of what my answer should be like. He was very supportive in the process. Thank you to my dad. I am more confident this time around that I can do a better job. 2. I believe friends are the most important influence. We all know that one takes the behavior of one's company. Friends are always our company. We play games together, keep secret and talk anything we like. We share interests and hobby. For example, many of my friends like playing basketball because I like playing basketball very much. I learn a lot from my friends. Their way of talking and their behavior. However, I rarely spend time with my cousin or with my parents. They might have some influence on me, but they are definitely not the most important influence in our work because we are closer to our friends. Friends have the most important influence on us. 3. The business study department plan to recruit or study to intern at a local business because they can get more working experience and that will help when they job and on after graduate. In the conversation, the woman disagree with the school parent. First of all, she thinks students would not learn anything valuable at this position. They only get to do some sample tasks such as type and filling stuff. It is a waste of time. Second, many other universities in the city have the same requirement for students. So after they graduate, the competition is still here. Getting a permanent job is almost impossible because there just are not enough jobs available for all business graduates. For the professor talked about establishing short in the lecture which is a short used to provide contact for the rest of the second. And he used a new movie as an example. In one second before the action and talking start, and an image of a city is shown to the audience to provide context. Things in the city looked all fashioned, and the city itself was gloomy and dark, and it was raining too, and kind of foggy. All these elements worked together to create a mysterious feeling. So when the action started, the audience would get the idea that the story of the movie takes place in a big city during one during the 1940, and the rest of the movie will be very mysterious and dark. In the conversation, the woman problem is that she has to move out right away because the water pipe in her apartment is broken. There are two possible solutions. The first is to stay at a friend's place. The second solution is to rent a room in a hotel near campus. I think the second solution is better. First of all, if she rents a room in a hotel, she can have a quiet and personal space to prepare from midterm exam. There are too many distractions at her friend plans. Second, the hotel near campus, therefore it will be easier for her to get to school and library every day. Spending some extra money is not so bad considering the fact that she will have better chance at getting a good grade and her exam. 6. In the lecture, the professor talked about the two-way plan protect them from being eaten by insects. The first is that they use physical features that make it hard for insects to land on them. Patient plants have spiky hair all over them. No room is left for insects to land on the leaf in order to eat them. The second kind of defense is chemical. Take, take the potato plant for example. It can release a chemical from its leaf system when being eaten by insect. The insect swallow the chemical with making it feel full, like it's already had enough to eat because the insect does not feel hungry and longer it stops eating the plant.